Hey world, I'm Mike.
I'm Laura. I'm Laura.
I tried to trip you up.
You did an excellent job of tripping me up. You succeeded.
I tried.
Congratulations, Laura.
Thank you. Okay, let's do it again.
Wait a second. All right.
Hi world, I'm Laura.
I'm Mike.
And we are Match Made in Heaven.
So Laura, beautiful day.
It is a gorgeous day.
It is awesome. I'm loving in this year. We're having actually a spring.
Yes.
It's not went straight to summer, but beautiful day. But anyways, what we wanted to do is show and do an open box for some Delta mirrors that Laura's wanted for a long time. How long have you wanted these?
Since probably October.
You identified. So
Yes.
We've been remodeling our master bath, and we were at Lowe's, our favorite place to do home shopping for home items. And I said, Laura, where's those mirrors you wanted?
He was finally feeling giving.
So we purchased them, and I'm loving them.
I love them.
Delta Providence tilt mirrors, and we purchased two of them, his and hers. And I like them. I'm more interested in this Spotshield technology, as they call it. But it's a help with smears and things like that on the mirrors.
Makes cleaning easier.
In the master bath when I'm shaving and splashing water up on it. I'm hoping that this helps with the amount of times you have to clean them and things like that. But Laura, what were some of the reasons you like these mirrors?
I liked them because they're adjustable. So like you said, when you're shaving or I'm putting on my makeup, you can adjust them to any which way you want it. That's my favorite feature, and I love that it came in the bronze color, the oil rub bronze that matches everything else. So
Consistency.
yes, we're all about consistency in this house.
So everything's bronze. All the hooks and hangers and bath toilet paper. Not our trim. Our
Yeah,
trim's
the
not
trim
bronze.
around the shower is.
Trim around the shower. Good point. But Delta, I've been impressed with the Delta company
Yeah, I like
too,
Delta.
on their spigots that we have. I've had
Faucets, spigots go outside for a water
spigots
hose.
outside. I don't have any Delta spigots, but I have some Delta faucets, and
Yes.
I've had to call for some leaks, and they've sent parts.
Free.
There's a lifetime warranty if you are the homeowner that purchased the items. They'll send those, and that's been very impressive, Delta as a company. So good job, Delta. Keep it up. You've got our business. I like that. Now we have had issues when we've had trouble finding parts, which we're trying to still get Laura's side of the sink working. But good job. We just want to do an open box today. So if you like what Match Made has, subscribe. Turn on the notifications. You'll get a notification next video we put up. So what we're going to do now is just walk in, show you the mirrors. The install was easy.
It was so easy.
The install was easy. It came with a template. Cut the template out of the instruction book, tape it on the wall, drill some holes, and
so easy.
Install A+ on the install. So
they're actually level.
yeah.
Both of them match.
So kudos to Delta, and check out these Providence mirrors. I think you'll like them. So let's go show them to them, Laura.
All right.
All right.
Okay, so here's the box that the mirror came in. Now I'm going to show you what they look like hanging on the wall. There they are. Like I said, oh, hi Michael.
Hey guys.
They're both even and they look so good. Another reason I like them is because they're small. They don't take up, oh, look at that. They adjust. They're so nice. So Thank you, Michael, for buying me my mirrors.